Good morning. I brought my broken tripod again. We're gonna still work until it is done, okay? Alright. So, I want to go to the workout center. So what we're gonna do is drink some water, some electrolytes, and then get dressed. And I also want to go to the beach today, so yeah. Like, I want to go to the beach as well today. Yeah, I like to do. So I'm just gonna work out for a minute, come back to the room. Okay. And I hope this, most likely I broke this up into 2 different days, as in day 1, day 2, you already know. I need as much content as I possibly can. I'm trying to build. So my TV is still not working. I don't know what they're gonna do. This room costs too much money for it to not work. You know what I mean? It's too much money. Alright. Down this. So far, it feels so good to just relax. I haven't really done work. I just started doing a little bit of work. I don't know if I should start doing homework though. I'm trying to shut down a little. We should go outside some view. Amazing view. So amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna go work out real quick. And then I can really just enjoy the day. Let me show you the view real quick. I can't get over this view. It's so beautiful, so peaceful, and look. Amazing. Yes. Let's go outside. It's too beautiful just to sit in my beautiful room. My room's nice too. And my room's a mess, like usual. Alright, let's get dressed. I'm about to eat this protein bar. The workout was cool. It was simple, straight to the point. Burn some calories. That's all that matters. Productive, you know what I mean? Like I went to the gym, we worked out, burned some calories, I did a few miles on the treadmill. Now it's time to just enjoy the sun, just relax. Okay. Is this too much? I don't think it's too much because I'm on vacation, right? Put some glasses on or no glasses. So I took the hat off. I'm gonna wear the hat. I'm gonna put on this cover up and then we're gonna run out. And unfortunately, I cannot edit. Well, I could edit, I just don't have enough space. So I left my, inadvertently, I left my external hard drive at home. It's cute. So it's not too much, you know what I mean? So I left my hard drive at home. So I could edit, but not that much because I have so much stuff on my computer already. So I'm like, ugh. If I do edit, I will have to like delete a lot of stuff. I think this is cute though. cute. I'm trying to convince myself. Or should I wear, no, I'll wear this one. Because I have another cover up, but I didn't bring enough. I thought I overpacked, but apparently I did not. I didn't pack enough stuff. So I only have 2 other cover ups, but it matches with my other swimsuit that I have. So I'm gonna wait to wear that one. And I'm doing yoga in the morning too. So I'm like, this is the only one will work with this swimsuit. You know what I mean? So I'm just going to, I think it's cute. And also I didn't pack enough workout clothes. I didn't think I was gonna work out this vacation. So I'm like, I don't have enough workout clothes. Should I go buy some more? I can see what, you know what, I probably will go buy some more, like some workout pants or something, or like some shorts. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what I was thinking. This is cute, right? I'm trying to convince myself. Then the hat. We're almost there. My hat keeps falling. Alright, so I got an umbrella and a chair. I want us to chill. Oh my god, it's so hot, y'all. I should never wore this thing. Okay, great. I ripped my cute little thing. I had a feeling that was, no I didn't. Let me stop lying. Good.
I'm always happy when I'm surrounded by water. The ocean makes me feel really small.
Alright, hopefully I got a good picture because this is a lot. Alright, it is windy. This thing, the guy was telling me that he's closing down. I don't know what, I just let him believe in. And he wanted my my bench. Make sure everything, hold on. It is so windy. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do tonight. The place I want to go to, they were saying like, oh, no one's gonna be there tonight. So I'm like, I don't know. We can figure it out, but I'm about to walk back to our resort. Fix my hair, I don't know how to look. So I got something to eat real quick. Go turn around, relax. They have an event tonight. Let me see. It's so funny at the beach. I mean, this guy, right? He's from here. So we were talking. He like, I want to take you out on a date. And I'm like, you know what? I'm not even gonna sleep with you, so I don't know. And he got so offended. That was rude to say. It's like, I didn't want to waste his time. I know it's not gonna go anywhere. I'm not from here. And he want to take me on a date. And he's like, just for you to say that, he's like, I can get it anytime I want. I'm like, okay. I think I've been there. But it's so weird. I said it because like, I know men. I know a lot of men. And I know like, okay, why else you want to take me on a date? To get to know me? Alright, okay, you want to get to know me, but I don't live out here. I'm not moving out here. Food's good. I'm gonna get no violations. I think the lab ain't gonna be right here. They have an event tonight here.